Hey foodies! Welcome back to Delicious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're making a Filipino classic that's sure to be a hit at your dinner or lunch table. It's called chicken caldereta using fresh tomatoes and Coco mamagata. Here are the ingredients as flashed in your screen, so let's get cooking! Maglagay lang ng 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Then, add the minced garlic and chopped onions, fresh tomatoes to the pan. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and start to release their juices. Next, add the chicken pieces to the pot. Cook until the chicken is lightly brown on both sides. Tapos, takpan lang natin ang pot until it simmers. Add the diced carrots and potatoes. At this point, you can also add the flavorings or any prepared seasonings you have. Dito sa recipe na to, nag-add ako ng pepper, magic sarap, konting bechin lang. Any seasonings you can add on this. Next is pour in 2 cups of water and bring to a boil. And then, ilagay ko na ang liver spread. Ginamit ko yung buong liver spread. And then, kaya pala ako gumamit ng fresh tomato is because konti na lang yung tomato sauce ko. So, yan. Pwede ka naman talaga mag-add ng fresh tomatoes. And I think mas malinamnam pa nga siya pag yun. And then, nag-add din ako ng oyster sauce, toyo, and then patis. So, i-adjust nyo lang yung panlasa nyo according to your preference, of course. Pero nilagay ko naman sa recipe na to kung gaano karaming patis or toyo yung nilagay ko. And then to add the nutty and creamy flavor, nag-add ako ng 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And then, i-add na lang natin dito ang 200 ml Coco mamagata. Stir well and let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce thickens and becomes creamy. Then let's finish this with bell peppers. And then cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. At dahil may leftover pa akong kamote, inilagay ko na lang dito para di masayang. And then, you're done! Serve hot with steamed rice. Enjoy your Calderetang Manok using fresh tomatoes and Coco mamagata. This recipe is super creamy because of the addition of the peanut powder and Coco mamagata. Of course, pwede ang fresh gata. Kung walang peanut butter ay okay lang din naman. Natanggalin siya. Mas gusto ko lang na ilagay siya for added lilamnam sa recipe nito. And then, pwede kayong mag-add ng chili for a spicy kick. Pwede mo rin i-add ang chili while the dish is cooking. If you've come this far, I'd like to say thank you for watching. Remember, in this kitchen, it's all about spreading love and happiness through food. This is Delicious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking! See you on my next one!